Welcome, my name is Zach Lewis and this is Extra Life. We are at the Waipara River, the middle of our dirt bike ride. But first, let's rewind to the start of our ride at the Kowai River. We're up the north branch of the Kowai. It's not too deep, which is good. It's quite fun, although I'm soaked already after only being 5 minutes in. Feed everyone else doesn't get too wet, so they'll stay behind. The Kowai River is located near Amberley and runs past the small town of Leithfield. Our goal was to try and get as far as possible up the unexplored north branch, then cut across to the Waipara River and head down. I've previously done a video on the south branch and the Waipara, however we'd never been up this part of the river before, so I decided to do another one. Today there's a big turnout in the group with 10 of us riding all together. This channel is proudly supported by Tracktion motorcycles. Tracktion are the motorcycling specialists and will take care of all your motorcycling needs. They have a huge range of riding gear for on and off road, and they authorise dealers for Ktm, Husqvarna and Kawasaki motorbikes. Their website link is in the description.
Where you go, Zach?
No, I'm not going first.
Aren't you? You think I've always seen someone else in it?
This marks the end of our journey up the north branch. As you can see, there is no way to get past this fence, and even if there was, we probably couldn't get much further anyway, considering the river was caving in and getting deeper. Now we head on the back roads to the Waipara River. I will see you there. Welcome to the Waipara River, the second part of our ride. We are currently at the Stringers Road Bridge having our lunch break. The crew riding with me today from the group are my dad, Tim, Bob, Anton, Michael, Craig, Richard, Gary and Ben. So that's all for this video. Unfortunately the footage from here on has got corrupted and is unplayable. Nevertheless, we had an awesome ride down the rest of the river and on the beach. Thank you to Tracktion for sponsoring this channel, and thank you for watching to the end. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you next time.